Rick's burps aren't fake, and here's the nasty reason why. Yep, Rick's iconic burps are 100% real. Co-creator Justin Roiland downs soda during recording sessions to force those nasty gurgles, and improvises most of Rick's drunken rants. In a 2017 interview with Variety, Roiland admitted he's basically a human soda fountain to nail Rick's voice. I'll take a sip of soda and burp mid-sentence. It's gross, but it works.
They're incredible. Help me with my research. I'm kind of under...
Know someone who burps like a drunk genius? Tag them now.